Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A32 and let me share with you how to turn on the game launcher on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to tap on advanced features. Now we have to tap and take a look at this game launcher option, which is right now turned off. If you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here. Obviously you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher. This is how it works. And as you can see, since it is active, then your device will organize all your games all in one place and access extra features that enhance your gameplay experience. So actually that's all. This is how to activate the game launcher in your Samsung Galaxy A32. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.